Little Dreamers Kids is a brand new channel. Help us reach our first 3,000 subscribers. Tap subscribe and thank you.
In the morning, sleepy eyes, pillow lines across the side. I hear footsteps down the hall. Time to brush, she starts to call. Elsa's at the bathroom door, sparkly slippers on the floor. Ready for our frothy game. She smiles big and says my name. Brush, brush, brush like Elsa shows. Tiny circles round we go. Top and bottom, front and back, shiny teeth along the track. Brush, brush, brush like Elsa sings. Count the bubbles, count the rings. Rinse and grin, we're fresh and bright. Morning mouths that feel just right. She turns on the gentle stream. Not too fast, a little gleam. Dip your brush just like I do. Not too soggy, just a few. She lines up the toothpaste neat. Stripe of mint that smells so sweet. Little pea, she nods at mine. That's enough, you'll do just fine. Elsa points to every tooth. Little heroes tell the truth. Did we clean you yesterday? I nod, yes, we start to play. Start in front, she moves her hand. Like you're painting snowy sand. Tiny circles, slow and small. Up and down along them all. Now the bottom, now the top. Side to side, we never stop. Chewing teeth along the side. Scrub the spots where crumbs can hide. We both hum a silly tune. Counting stars and counting moons. 1 to 20, nice and slow. That's how long we're gonna go. She says, open like a gate. Farmer Elsa won't be late. Let me see the back row too. That's where sticky bits can glue. I pretend my tongue's a cat, chasing foam and flying bat. Elsa laughs, her eyes so bright. Bubbles mean we're doing right. She taps gently on my chin. Don't forget the spots within. Brush your tongue, a gentle sweep keeps your morning dragon asleep. I stick out my tongue a bit, do a careful gentle swish. Minty tickles make me giggle. Elsa does a penguin wiggle. Time to rinse, she fills my cup. Take a mouthful, swish it up. Left to right, then round and round. Water dancing, splashing sound. Don't you swallow, Elsa sings. Spit it out like little springs. We both lean above the sink. Splish and splash and silly wink. She hands me a towel, soft and blue. Dab your chin, that's what we do. I see sparkles when I grin. Teeth like pearls along my skin. Elsa leans and taps the glass. Look how clean they're built to last. Morning breath has gone away. Ready for a brand new day. Nighttime too, she tells me then. We will brush and count again. After dinner, after play, we scrub sleepiness away. I imagine tiny crumbs marching off like little drums. Every scrub a gentle chase. Every rinse a bubble race. Elsa sings a counting song, so I know it's not too long. 1 brave tooth, 2 brave teeth, 3 and 4 in the little wreath. date. All are patient while we wait.